Hi everyone and welcome back to this new video. And yes, you have read the title. Today I've got an unboxing for you. I've got two items to show you from Kipling. Yes, I know, I love Kipling. It's not a surprise. I have already explained you in my latest video concerning my Chili Up, the latest bag from Kipling I bought back in August 24, but I have released the video several months after. And to tell you everything, when I have done the review concerning my Chili Up, of course I went back on the Kipling website to see all the details and to see if the Chili Up was still on sale, etc. And of course I have seen the outlet section from Kipling and I was really happy because a color that I really appreciate was now in the outlet section. Without further ado, I let you the unboxing video. You know, as I made a video in English and French, I have to do two unboxing and it's not possible when you open a parcel. So without music, without anything, I just show you the unboxing to show you how I have received the item. And I take you back and I explain everything. Let's go. So yes, my friend, you have seen, I fall in love with the ultimate plum color. I am crazy about purple color, and when I have seen that Kipling has realized a whole collection with this color, of course, I told myself it would be nice to add something. And I think you are surprised because in my Chili Up review, I told you that I was looking for a shoulder bag. There was the Cool Defea in the ultimate plum color. But then I have made a reflection and I think I prefer the Elysia model. So I give me the time to think about it a little bit more and maybe have this bag in another color. But as you have seen, I could not hesitate and I picked this little backpack. This is the City Zipped Mini in the ultimate plum color, which is a gorgeous violet color. Because I love backpack. Yes, I know I've got several Longchamp Le Pliage bag, but I have no Kipling bag. And I think it will be nice, since this bag is also made with nylon, I think it's nice to add one in my collection and test it. And of course, I will do a comparative video with my pliage bag, but later. For the moment, I fell in love with the color, which is gorgeous, and I also fell in love with the general design of this bag. This is the City Zip Mini, as I just told you. So I will write the dimension. And of course, I will give me 1 second, just show you the tag with the code, but I will take it away. Okay, it's off, but it will be easier to show you the bag. As you have seen, there is no protection, no dust bag, no wrapping with plastic. It was just a cupboard, a Kipling box, which is quite nice. But Kipling tends to be really eco-friendly. I do respect that. This bag exists for quite a long time in their collection, and there are two models. The zipped one, you've got a flap with a magnetic button press, and here you have a front pocket, which is really spacious. And look at the inside. Yes, I fell in love with the color of the bag, but I also fell in love with the interior color, which is a bright pink. I am not a pink person, but let's be honest, purple with pink is just a wonderful combination. And I have to say, I am happy to have a bright interior. It helps me to see better the item inside the bag. So it is a really nice idea. So look at it, it's gorgeous and it's very spacious. And the other model of the backpack from Kipling, here you have a drawstring and the bag is called City Pack Mini or Pack S, but this is the City Pack. And you have a drawstring here. It helps you to narrow or expand the front pocket. Concerning myself, even if I think it's a smart idea, I prefer this model because for me it's easier to just put the flap here and it's okay, and take my item here. But I do understand that many people prefer the drawstring version. So here you have the zip, of course, city zip, and you have one main compartment. Look how spacious it is, and the interior, as I just told you, is just wonderful. You have on the back a really big zipped pocket, and you can place a lot of things inside. On the front inside you have another small pocket here, and you can fit your phone or anything you want. And here, if you can see carefully, you have two, let's call them pen pocket, because yes, you can just put a pen. And I'm quite happy because I always carry pen with me and notebooks, so I will place my pen here. So I think it's a nice idea. I love a color, and I'm not a pink person, but I do love a color. Then back to the front of the bag, as you can see, oh, of course there is the plushy monkey. I love because they have done a plushy monkey for the ultimate plum color. Look how gorgeous it is. It is called Frankie. This one is Frankie. I love the color. And so now I have a purple monkey. I'm really happy. So back to the bag, you've got one big front pocket zipped. I love how easily you can open Kipling bags. And look, and you have, and I find it so great, you have a keychain. Yes, I love it. Seriously, I love it. I think the new material, because I check, I think the new model, they now have the keychain here, and I think it's better. Seriously, I think it's better because you can place a pouch and attach to it. Here, I have tiny pouch, but I don't see myself put a pouch in a small pocket like this, but I do appreciate this item. I will put my keys on it. So seriously, it's nice to have it. Look how gorgeous it is. And you have, on each side of the bag, you have zipped pocket. So let me open them. Something really surprising is that, look at the phone. It is top here. It's not all the way around. I am not a big fan. I tell you, because it's not easy to open and close them. So I know that I will place item here, but they are not optimal, let's be honest. Important for me is this pocket, and of course here and the front one. I just think they are cute. Yes, but you see, it's not easy to open and close them. And here you've got the second one, I just told you. So I love the general design. And on the back, of course, oh, let me take them off. So you've got two shoulder strap to carry it. They are adjustable. It's silver hardware. I really love it. And you've got the Kipling. Here it is. Oops, sorry. It is written Kipling. And on the back, you also have a zipped pocket. And I love that because here you can really carry important things and they will be secure on your back. So this backpack is really well made. The size is great. I do think the capacity is crazy. I will be releasing maybe later a what's in my bag video, and of course I will do a comparison really later. I will use it a lot with my pliage from Longchamp and tell you my experience about them. But for the moment, I am so happy to have had this purple shade, this backpack, because I do love backpack. I use a lot my Longchamp backpack, and I'm quite happy to finally have a Kipling backpack. And yes, guys, concerning the price The City Zipped Mini retails at, I'm sorry, I just have price in euro, my apologies. The price is 89,19 euro, and thanks to the outlet section, I paid for this bag 62,93 euro. So it's around a 30% bargain, and I am happy. Seriously, I'm happy to add bags in my collection with a nice price reduction. I think it's a correct price for a nylon bag from this size and this conception, because I do repeat, I really love all the shoulder strap like this. It's really comfortable, it's smooth, it's nice to have them on the body. Just a comparison, a color comparison. This is my Zeva, which is also in a purple shade, and here it is. So I'm happy it's not the same shade at all. This one is really bright, but I do love this one also. And look, they are just gorgeous. And my friend, I told you I've got two items, not three, two. I've got another item. Yes, I picked a pochette. This is the Creativity L size. I was really tempted by the S also, but no color at the moment were matching my interest. So look at it. This one, I give you the code. It's the Undersea Light, hope you can see. And it's also a violet shade, but look at the print. The print is everything. And oh, let me take it off. Okay, that's off. So here is the little Creativity L pochette. I got none in my collection, but I was always interested to add one and test them and compare them with my Longchamp and Coach one. So have a look at it. Of course, it came with a little tiny monkey in plush, and it's also the same color, violet color. I think this one is cute. I love the pose of it. And this one is called Dua. Dua, maybe in English you tell, but in French it will be called Dua. Look at it. I love the Kipling stamp. So you open it, and this time it's silver hardware, but it's a bit darker. And you open it, and it's really massive. You have one compartment here, you have another compartment here, and if you look closely, you have an intern zip section, and you have once again a third compartment. Look at it if you expand it. That's the very first time I've got something like this in nylon. I will test it. I don't know if I will test it like a wallet, or yes, maybe for makeup, or yes, I will see, or to put pens on it. I will tell you later, but I fell in love with the print, seriously. And concerning the price, it was also really interesting. Creativity L pouches used to retail for 29,19 euro, and this one was in the outlet section, and I paid 17,94. If I made a mistake, I will write you. So only, yes, 18 euro for a pouch. I could not resist. And look, I think it's a perfect set. Really cute set. And look at the monkeys. The monkeys are great. Voilà, mes amis. So here we are, my friend. It was my little unboxing from Kipling. I could not resist. Seriously, when I saw the Ultimate Plum collection, I was really tempted to have something. I love purple, but I was not ready to pay the full price, since I know that their items go to the outlet section, and I was happy to saw them in time and to not miss them, so I'm super happy. As I told you, I still want to add to my collection a shoulder bag, and as I just told you, maybe the Elysia is the right one, but let's see the new collection. Let's see. I have time, so I know I will add one to my collection, but I have time, so let's see in the future if I saw a nice model, if I saw a nice color to add to my collection, because next time unless they are releasing a wonderful shade, violet shade once again. I think this time the shoulder bag will be in another color. I could not have only purple bag, so I will keep you informed. Please tell me in the comment section if you got the City Zip Mini or the City Pack Mini or the bigger version. How do you use them, if you like them. We open the discussion about this little backpack. Tell me if you have some creativity pouches, any size you have. Tell me how do you use them, if you like them, if you prefer them from Longchamp nylon pouch. Let's open the discussion. As I told you, I will make comparative video based on my experience, and I will tell you everything. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your support. Till the next one, take care. And my friend, I love you. We see you soon. Bye bye.